That is so bad. We'll do it again. Welcome to episode 7 of Gin and Talkin. This is Nitisha, this is Nitin, and we are going to be talking about bullshit things. We don't know what we are going to be talking about. But it's going to be fine because you folks are alone, we are alone. We feel like we are doing something, you feel like you're doing something. तब तो बर्तन धो लो और हम लोग का बात सुन लो. Thank you. What if we had a Freaky Friday situation?
That was my question. You stole my question.
Okay, fine.
No, just say.
Retake.
I'm kidding.
Retake. Take 2.
Ask your Freaky Friday question.
No, take 2.
That clearly you had in mind.
Yeah. So my question was, what if we were in a Freaky Friday situation and we switched bodies for a day? Okay. So understand what it means. It's just our bodies that have switched. Okay?
Yes, I know. Our
But
minds are still the same.
They're still the same. Mind and soul, both.
Okay.
Right?
There's nothing
So-
as soul.
There is soul.
No.
I have a soul.
No.
Yes.
No.
I do.
No.
I know that because I've never
No.
punched a baby. I've wanted to many times.
I have.
It's just because I have a soul. Oh my god, you don't have a soul. Hence proved. Exhibit A.
Yes. Soulless person with a soul full of body. What was your question?
Yeah, your body is full of soul because I have soul in me.
Okay, so let's talk about the question.
Yeah, the Freaky Friday thing.
Mhm.
Yeah. So we've switched bodies for a day, 24 hours. What do you do first? You see, you've woken up. The moment you've woken
So-
up, you're me.
Do I know it from before, or I just wake up and I'm like,
Yeah, you just wake up and you're suddenly me.
I
You
wake
don't
up
know.
with a boner.
Yes.
And then I'm like, what the hell? What is this? I get scared
I'm
immediately.
pretty sure that's not going to be the
I will
case.
slap it thinking, what the
But then
hell?
it will hurt.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, so then it hurts. Then
Yeah, and then I'm like, and then like, where are my boobies? And I'll be like
No, you're like,
satisfied.
no, you will not think that your boobies have gone away. You would think that why are they smaller?
No. I'll be like, did they go? Did somebody steal it? Is it my
That's going to be your question.
maid?
What the fuck?
Nothing. No. My
What is your
question.
maid doing in your room?
Cleaning.
Is she cleaning your boobies? So you're just like बहुत टाइम से कोई छुआ नहीं है डस्ट लग गया. Oh my
Yikes.
God.
Oh, no, I wake up
Yes.
and then I see my body and I'm like,
Yeah, you wake up with a boner because of course.
of course.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
morning.
okay.
boner.
So I have to slap it thinking like, what the fuck is this?
Yes.
What the fuck is on my lap?
Yes.
Or on my crotch in the beginning, because
Yeah.
there'll be a sheet on top of me.
Yeah, and you're not sleeping naked, are you?
Yeah, I wear clothes.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'll be like, what the fuck? And then like, oh my god, it hurts. Like,
Yes.
then I'll
You'll be like-
remove my pants
Yes.
and see down there.
Mm-hmm.
If I look down there, and I will be like, what? What?
You'd be like,
What? Why
what?
is there a? Why is
What
there an
is-
earthworm? Why is there
No,
an earthworm in
no.
my pants?
the question I have is, will you be able to tell that it is ma pee pee
Yeah,
at
for
that point of
sure.
time?
I know how it looks.
Wow. So your first thought after seeing it would be like, not that there is a penis. It'll be like, there's Nitin's penis. Will that be your thought?
Yeah, I'll be like, what? No, I would
Or
be.
I think you would think
In
that.
the beginning, I would think, why is there a pee on me? Did somebody leave it?
That's how I leave. Like did Santa come and we're like, Nikala.
No, it was like they lost it. It's like a lizard's tail that.
Wow,
broke
and
off.
it squiggled and attached itself to your coochie. So you would separate it and see if there's still a coochie
Yeah,
there.
I would be like, oh, it's not moving.
No, you would lift the ball
Oh,
sack and see
yeah.
whether there's a coochie there or not.
Maybe I would.
Okay. So there's
and
no coochie.
oh yeah, and then I'll be like, what the fuck? Did I just transition in the middle of the night or something?
Would you not think that have you lived like a dream and this is the first time you're waking up.
I'm getting there. Wait.
okay,
So I'll be
okay.
like, I'll have so many thoughts in the beginning, like, what the fuck happened? Then when I go and check myself, touch myself, and be like, was I always this? Was I always this man? That I
when you
myself
touch,
was.
you feel this, and you're
Yeah,
like, that would freak you out.
yeah, I'd be like, this one
What
time.
happened?
Why do I have facial hair?
Yeah.
Oh
Okay.
no.
And then you go to the bathroom in panic.
Yeah, I'll go to the bathroom, I'll look at my face and be like, what? Then I would freak out thinking that was I living a dream this entire time? Was I attracted to myself?
Did I become someone else who was attracted to myself and then did the deed and everything?
No.
And I lived like a relationship? I started a podcast?
No, I would think that, wait, was I dreaming this whole time where I was seeing the dream through the other person's visions? I was actually in love with myself.
Pure narcissism.
Yeah, so weird. Then I would also be very scared to leave my room because do my parents know who I am?
Yeah, because you've woken up in your house itself.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Would you not just go to your phone and see if my contact exists or something?
I would wait. I would do all of that, but then before that I will have thoughts. I'm telling all my thoughts.
Yes.
And then obviously I would go check, call myself, thinking that you are me, I am you.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
And then I'll be like, the call nahi lag raha. And then I will call
the
me.
question- No, would you search? So when you go to your phone, would you search Nitin in the contacts or would you search Nitisha in the contacts?
No, that's what I'm saying. I would search you, which is me at the moment.
So you would search Nitin.
Yeah. And I'll call. Then if that call doesn't go because I am you and you are me at the moment, I will call me.
Yeah, it would go because I'm there. It would go through to me and I'll pick up and I'll be like, did it happen to you as well? I was like, what the fuck just
What
happened?
about our voices?
This
Does
is-
it exchange? Do we exchange our
voice.
voices?
Your voice is a part of your vocal cords, so it's part of your body.
Oh no.
So yes.
I mean,
Your voice
not
would
oh
be-
no.
Your voice would be deep and masculine,
No, wait.
like mine. Your voice
Wait,
would be
you
like,
do the lip sync. I will talk. Okay.
okay. Fine.
So, hello.
I don't know how to do it. Okay, what the fuck?
Weird lips.
Okay, fine.
You do, mama.
Okay,
Bad
fine.
animation,
Yes,
bad
yes,
lip sync.
yes.
I think, hello, Nitin. Did it happen to you as well? Kya hua? Then wait, you do my voice, you do your voice. I'll do the lip sync.
Yeah, it happened to me. It totally happened to me. Why am I you? मेरे पास मेरा boobies क्यों नहीं है? तेरे पास है क्या? Oh my god.
No, but
Imagine the both of our concerns first were about boobies. I think I would be mildly happy. But like हमेशा के लिए क्या? यही मैंने is this because last night I was definitely dreaming about how I want them forever. So and
yeah, you can
I was
get
like, did I
breast
manifest it?
Yeah, you can get breast implants if you
No,
want.
I
It's
want-
okay
I want yours. So can we like take yours and put it?
on you.
No, just give me in like a ball.
Would you? Okay, tell me. Is this to every man? Would they like just boobies, or is it the fact that it's on women that they like it?
Good.
Like, would you like it if it's just like boobies? So you can just make a silicone thingy which is very soft and you can squish it.
Yeah.
But if it's that, or is it like, oh, it's attached to a female body?
It has to be attached to a female.
Yeah,
body.
so why would you be like, oh, give it to me in a separate?
No, I think what I want
Logically
is
makes no sense.
no. What I want is I want like a portal. Okay, like imagine if there was a portal here, exactly,
Yes.
right? So, like basically, if I put my hand here, it should just reach your boobies.
So like a glory hole.
No, but like scientific glory hole. So like sci-fi glory hole. So like you may be anywhere. Like imagine you're in like a you're presenting your college thesis. Suddenly my hand is inside and it can be seen.
I would be
I don't
like,
know.
the professor would be like, Nitisha, what is happening? I am possessed. It's exorcism. I am just possessed.
No,
Sorry. There's a demon.
And at that very same point of time, the professor is a man or a woman?
Men.
Man. So
Yeah.
the professor has his own partner's hole. And he's also like, Nitisha, what is happening actually? And then you're concerned, ये इसका वाला तो नहीं?
No, I would know the hand. I'm pretty sure.
हाँ, you'll be like, इसमें तो grey ball feel नहीं हो रहा है, तो it should be fine.
Grey ball feel होता है.
I mean, color feel नहीं
Color से
होता है.
feel होता है.
Color feel नहीं होता है. But yeah, that's what I want. I want like 24/7 access via scientific means.
No, that is too much.
But it should be like basically everyone when they reach 18 or 21, they get a portal, okay? And that portal can be connected to some other person's portal, okay? If you're in a relationship with them, and you have the power to turn off the Bluetooth sync or whatever. So that
This guy was Nobita. This is what Nobita wanted. The anywhere door to
yes.
Shizuka's washroom.
But yeah, भाई ये नोबिता क्या ठरकी था, उसको वो anywhere door था. He can go he can see northern light, he can go to the moon, he can go to Mars, he can see what Jupiter is like, he can go say hi to Pluto. But जाता कहाँ है वो? Shizuka के bathroom में.
And look at this guy talking about portals.
Yes, but I want portals to someone who has given me consent. That is
I
an
did
important
not.
No, I'm saying that you would by connecting, and you can at any point of time disconnect.
No. I don't like this concept.
Wow, but you also have access to me.
I will not use it.
Wow, I feel hurt. Do you even like me? Do you even find me attractive? Do you even love me?
I think that should have been your first question.
Do you even love me?
Yeah, and then, so do you even love me? Do you even like me? Do you even find me attractive?
Do you even wanna bone me?
No.
No? What the fuck? Podcast is over. ये मेरे साथ बहुत बुरा हो रहा है.
Okay, fine. You and your
I will take
holes.
these boobies.
You and your holes and the Freaky Friday situation. We
Yeah.
went from that to to the holes.
Yeah, so the Freaky Friday situation, right? So okay, now would you leave your room is the question. You've become me, but outside there's your mother
Mm.
and your father.
Yeah. So the
Now if
thing
you
is-
leave as me, they'll be like,
yeah.
क्या कर रहे थे?
Yeah. So my first thing would be, am I me? Like this, is this me the entire time? Or like, is it something that happened
No, but we've
at
already
night?
had the call, no?
Yeah. So, yeah, we had that. But then you also don't know that.
No, if it happened to both, I think we would not be dumb enough to be like, हम लोग क्या दोनों को ही सेम से बनाया था क्या?
Yeah, but then just be in the room for the whole day, I guess.
Wow.
No, but then how
But
would
you don't know that it's 24
yeah.
hours. You would think that, oh my god, ये तो खत्म permanent.
Yeah, we would have to find a way
Yeah.
to sneak out and
बट ये भारत है भाई, यहाँ पे तो भाई ये ग्रिल लगा हुआ है, काटना पड़ेगा, खिड़की से ही बाहर नहीं निकल सकते.
हाँ वही तो. So you have to find a way to sneak out. So you have to wait till your parents are like both in the washroom.
Oh, you would hear.
Yeah, be like, क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है.
Mm-hmm. Depends on the time when you've woken up. Like if
Yeah.
you've woken up at 5, maybe no one's awake.
Yeah, if you're woken up at
And
like
if I've woken up at 7, also no one's awake. So
wow, my mom wakes up at 5 o'clock.
oh, so you need to wake up at 4.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll assume that we've woken up and everyone's sleeping. We've woken up at 4.
Yeah, that is easy. You just leave.
Okay, you'd leave. You won't even change clothes or anything. You're where.
Obviously,
No, but
I am
what would
not
you wear?
naked while I'm
Yes, but you're wearing female clothes or whatever
I'll
clothing
just
you wear.
See, I have shorts.
Okay, you would
Men's
wear shorts.
shorts.
But ma pee is big. It will get out of the shorts.
Yeah, that's what you're lying to yourself.
Wow.
I wear shorts and like, oh,
Wow.
fits perfectly.
You're like, I don't even think I have anything there.
Yeah,
It seems less than when I had a coochie.
I wear my own underwear and it's like, snug
here.
fit.
Yes, it doesn't even feel as much as when I wear pads. It's so very straightforward.
Yeah, perfectly fine. Then
Yeah.
I'll wear a very...
My pee is this much. It's a grape. It's a grape with 2 seeds.
Yeah, they don't need visuals.
I gave, no?
So they don't need to see it.
I have given.
I will give you pictures.
No. What the fuck?
Then after making fun of your pee.
Yes. Wow.
You
would
were
just
yourself.
sit, you would just sit and be like, क्या चोटको मेरे भाई तू ये भी कोई होते you would just roast.
Yes. And
Wow.
then we'll leave the house.
Then it would cry.
It'll pee itself.
No, it would come. Pre-come.
Ew. Is that how you like cry when you're sad? It just...
I don't know. My PP has never cried. It's always very happy.
No, when you are crying, your pee also cries. So it just ejaculates.
No, my PP cries when I'm very happy.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So anyways, you leave the room. You dress up in what? Shorts?
In whatever clothes I can find.
Like what?
Like pants.
You just wore shorts.
Then change the shorts because I'm like, oh no, I don't want them to see my hairy legs.
Wow.
So I'll wear pants.
Wow.
Do you not have hairy legs?
Yes.
You have chafed, very smooth legs.
No, I have hairy legs. Should I show them? No, I won't.
I will then be like, no, I don't think so. This looks feminine enough. No, I don't think so. It looks masculine enough because the shorts are too short.
Yes. And the butts are too butting right now.
Yes, they are talking to each other. They are
Yeah.
talking to other people. They are
Yes.
clapping.
Yes.
They are saying slay queen.
Yes.
So I will find, I have baggy pants,
Yeah.
which probably will be baggy for you as well.
Mhm.
I'll just wear those.
Yes.
And then I'll wear a shirt like this.
Mhm.
Fine, I'm fine. You would have an issue. Actually, no, I wear like clothes that you wear.
Yeah, no, you have made me wear some clothes that you would wear. So I have them.
Because
I would wear them.
you would wear skinny jeans.
Yes. We
Ripped
don't talk about
skinny
that past.
jeans.
We don't discuss my past.
Ripped skinny jeans.
Yeah,
Skinny.
it was bad. It was bad.
And I just told you, you can...
And I did not I had never worn. So the thing is, context is important. I have been really skinny in the past. Okay, and that's the problem. When you're really skinny, when you wear anything loose, you feel like a twig. You feel like a twig. People can see you are a twig even whatever you wear. People can see you're a twig. But when you're skinny and you wear something that's loose, you feel like, यार ये कपड़ा पूरा फैल रहा है इधर उधर में इतना छोट को क्यों हूँ?
मैंने कपड़ा पहना भी है.
हाँ, exactly. So that's the problem. That is why I had started wearing skinny stuff.
But like even I was skinny. I am still a little bit skinny.
Yes.
But then the thing is, when you wear like really tight clothes, it makes you look even more skinnier.
Yes, but I'm talking about the feeling. I'm not talking about what people see.
You think that,
right?
oh, you're not wearing anything.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyway, so what will you do?
I
How
would
will
wake
you
up.
escape the house?
I would wake up. I would first fap
Ew.
immediately
No.
because I'd be like, "Maja aa raha hai mera."
No.
To me, I think that would be like dream come true. I've always wanted to know what it feels like, and then I would, when you would call, I would be in a little bit of a panic state, but I would like, I've calmed down because I fapped, and you'd be like, you are a disgusting human being.
That's not how female body is like. That's like how men's bodies work. Like, I'm stressed. I need to fap.
Yeah, that's not a thing. Like women, you won't feel less stressed after fapping. Or would you not be able to fap if you're stressed?
No. My mind will not be there.
Oh, that must be sad. So you can only fap when you're happy. You're already happy. What do you need to fap for?
Yeah, so imagine having to be sad. You yourself said when you are sad, your pee does not cry.
No, when I'm sad or stressed, I go wank one out. And then I'm
I
like,
don't like this episode.
good. Feel the goods. It has been the success. Cortisol has been removed. Serotonin Pro Max.
I hate this episode.
There's no reason to hate it.
I hate because we keep talking about you fapping and pee-peeing. Your pee-pee. I don't like
Yeah.
it.
So no. Anyways, so what I was saying is that was a joke. But what I would also I would also freak out because I'd be like, ये मेरा upper भारी क्यों लग रहा है? I would suddenly have a pain in my lower back.
How?
Because big movies
It's not
are
that
heavy.
big. They're not that heavy.
No, it's heavier than nothing. My brain is still the same. My brain is not used to lifting
It's
anything.
not like 5 kilos of.
Yeah, but it's at least 2 kilos.
No.
It's 1 kilo.
No.
It has to be 1 kilo.
No, it is not.
Okay, it's half a kilo.
Sir.
I don't know. Whatever.
You.
I would notice the difference in weight. You would also notice, even though the
Yeah.
dick weighs nothing.
No, not the. I would notice, like, in general, I'm a bigger person now.
Yes, I'm big.
That's what you tell yourself.
Yeah, so then you would call and then be like, I'd freak out, but then we're like, chalo bahar milte hain. Because we need to talk about this and take a plan of action. And then you decide to meet. Where do we decide to meet?
Anywhere.
Anywhere.
Yeah.
No, but we would go. Now you are the man. You have to plan and take me somewhere.
Fine.
I'll be
Not
like,
at
yeah, take me somewhere. What?
Yeah, because I
What
do
is
that.
this?
I exactly in that same tone. I'm like, yeah, you are the man. You decide where we go. I don't want to think about it.
Yeah, I would say that.
Wow. I'm glad you're not a woman.
Yes. Same.
And
I
then,
like having responsibilities and rights.
and acting as if बात कर लिया मैंने. I'm the man.
Wow. मैं बहुत करता है.
Like telling you'll make tea and be like,
That happened once.
you said you're going to make tea and then you said,
Yeah, it was just once.
that
Oh
was
my
once in front of
God.
me. I'm pretty sure at your own home you have done it
No.
multiple times.
So anyways, we meet.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
We meet at a 5-star restaurant because
No,
that's where you have
why?
to take me.
Why?
Yes.
We will meet at Baba Ka Dhaba.
What the fuck
That
is
is
Baba
the-
Ka Dhaba?
At a dhaba which is of somebody's Baba.
Oh.
So
So like
like-
any dhaba.
Yes. We go to that random as dhaba.
Yeah.
And because that is an appropriate place to discuss our issues, because I'm pretty sure that Baba will have some solution.
No, he's a Baba. He's not
No,
a Baba.
you're not thinking of it as movies. You know, when you're talking about issues and this one person overhears you
Just
and comes,
appears.
yeah, and just tell you.
You're just like, हमारे साथ क्या होगा? मैं बताता हूँ.
You have not watched movies or what?
No, I have not.
Wow.
No, when you said Baba, the first thing that popped in my mind was Bhul Bhulaiya में that one person जो हनुमान जी का भक्त होता है
The red one.
red पूरा आता है. That is what I remembered. Like अगरबत्ती
that-
खोस के कान में.
That is exactly who we will go to.
Oh, okay, okay.
Like-
तो खाना किधर खा रहे हैं फिर?
वहीं पे चाय
Because
पी
you are now me and you must be hungry.
No, you don't eat till like evening.
That is
I
true.
will
So
not
I
be
am hungry.
Yeah.
I was
you-
like मुझे खाना चाहिए मैं cranky हूँ.
That's not how I am.
I would say that.
Why would you do
I would just take all the female stereotypes I have read online and be like मैं हूँ ये अब.
I'll be like, you know what, this is it.
We have to end it.
Yeah, this is
No,
too
but we
much.
need to have snacks before.
Why?
At least once, last time.
No.
Yes.
Then you'll be nakada in that also.
No, I would not do nakhda.
You'll be like, I'm a bed princess.
No. That is one stereotype I'm against. so that is something that I would do the opposite. I'd be like, I want to take charge. I want to do everything. Because is another thing of mine. I always wondered what it would feel like
Yeah,
to do
I'll
it
give you 2
as
seconds.
a woman.
2
seconds.
You'll be like, हो गया मेरा cardio नहीं है.
No, मेरा cardio है.
Actually, not the cardio. It will be your thighs that will give up. Your knees.
Why?
Oh, you need to do it first and see.
Oh, so like I don't know what it feels like.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Anyway, what I mean, we go. Okay, fine. Properly, we go to a place, a decent ass place,
Yes.
where we talk about what the fuck just happened. What are we going to do? How do we return back home?
Mm-hmm.
But now the thing is, how did this Freaky Friday situation happen in the first place? It only happens when you had sex. And
Oh, so
now, I'm making shit up, okay? But it happened because
What
we
have
had.
you been doing the entire time?
No, that was real. That was very plausible things that I was thinking.
Yeah, this is what's not plausible. What's about to
Yeah.
come? Okay.
Now it's like we are talking about it and then we are going back. What happened? What led to this? We reached the conclusion that it's a Freaky Friday situation where it happened only because we had snacks.
And the effects come 24 hours later.
Yeah. And we have to listen to me. Don't laugh. It's a serious situation.
Yeah.
Now we are thinking, oh, we just do it and we'll go back. But so we search the internet because internet is a reliable source.
Yes.
So the internet tells us that when we do it once again, we will go back to our normal bodies, but we can never have sex ever again.
Nahi chahiye.
So then we are like, oh my god, what do we do?
No,
What
but
do we
that's so
do?
stupid. How would that work? Because it's like, okay, if you have to have smacks to return, then you can never have smacks again. And if you have to stay the way you are, then also you can never have smacks again because
Yes.
if you have snacks, you will
The
reverse.
only option is you break up.
Wow.
And then
Is this episode how you want to break up? What the fuck? You're just like, okay, by the way, I think this is what we should do. What the fuck?
that's not what I'm talking about. Okay, no, but there has to be something weird, right? You give me. What would that be? Like, it cannot be like, oh, the next day we changed. We have
Yeah.
to do something within the 24 hours for our
Yeah.
bodies to go back
Yeah.
normally.
You have to make me come. And then we will reverse.
That is never happening. We are staying in this body forever. Bye bye.
Wow. Wow.
I will not even try. It's so weird.
Why?
Imagine looking at yourself
Yes.
while your soul is on the other.
Oh my
Your
god.
soul,
yes.
like,
No, the thing is that no. Oh my god. We didn't even talk about the most important aspect, which is that you're still bi. So you would still want to do it with the woman.
For you, that would make you
Yeah.
gay.
I don't want a pee-pee. So,
But then you are really excited about having the bosoms.
oh my god. Am I secretly gay? What the
you
fuck?
tell me.
No, bhai. Too many comments have already called me gay. I don't want to speak about these things and confirm.
And then you keep on going on talking about them.
Yeah. And then I'm like, why do they think I'm gay? I behave so straight. I behave so straight. So straight.
Your
करने
this
भी
is
नहीं
also
आता मेरे को
exact.
मेरे मेरे रिस्ट में चोट लगाया ना ये रिस्ट से करना चाहिए see happened so much better
I think, okay, you're secretly little bit
fruity
queer. Yeah.
zesty
Yeah.
lemonade
No, lemonade and all those things are straight people.
oh I am lemonade
You're fruity.
okay let me transform to a straight man okay
No, please don't.
so देगी क्या चल ना that's what I think
You are so straight that it is so unnatural for you to be straight that your voice, the straight voice, not even
Not even
caught in
visible.
the audio recording.
No, I think it's just that the frequency was so low
Yeah,
that the mic
now
could
you
not
have
capture.
to say that.
The frequency is this.
obviously.
So, what do you think? नहीं हो पा रहा मेरे
Yeah,
से.
this sounds like you're choking on a dick.
Wow. So my straight version is also gay.
Yes. See,
She just secretly wants me to have some affiliation,
I would be absolutely happy.
but I don't.
I didn't say you have to be. I said I would be little bit happy.
Yeah, but that's not a good thing. You're like, okay, I like you, but if you were different,
I didn't say if you were.
if you
or
were
anything.
different,
I said, see, if a bi person is with a bi person, that's like a good package deal.
Why?
Because it's like fun. We're buys. Bye bye.
Why is it fun? Do you intend on including more people or what?
No,
Then
it's
why is it
fun
fun? It doesn't
because
change
they
anything.
will understand your issues more. Like you don't have to explain it; they'll just understand.
No, but people normally only assume I'm a guy. So
Guy.
yes,
No, not guy. Bye.
yeah, they assume that also.
You gave also. Right now.
I serve cunt.
What the hell?
No, but I actually don't get it. Like I seriously sometimes think that okay, why would people assume?
The thing is, okay, let me tell you, the people assume because there is a stereotype which is pretty true, how straight people dress up and how like bi or gay people dress up. So,
Yeah.
like men in the sense, straight men normally don't have a very good style or anything. I'm
Yeah.
not talking about fashion sense. Fashion sense is different, but like in general they don't have style. They'll wear skinny jeans, shirt.
So you're telling me I was
Pants.
straighter before.
Yes. Then you started. So it's not a straight gay or bi thing, but historically, gay men have always had more style and fashion. Like they would always be flamboyant and like wear clothes that were very style fashionable, I would say, like very different.
Yeah.
And straight people would try to sometimes like take that and like have it in their fashion
Closet.
catalog. No, not
In their closet.
No.
And then we would go dress up and come out of the closet.
Exactly, that's how people know that they are gay.
Yeah. So you're telling me it's my clothing.
Yeah, it's your clothing.
T-shirt or pant?
No, the type of t-shirt. Then you also sometimes wear your chain, you
I'm
have
not wearing it
accessories.
today. Yes.
That
Hmm.
it's not very different, but you don't wear ill-fitted clothes anymore
Yes.
like most straight men do.
Mm-hmm.
Just straight men, please don't wear skinny jeans.
Yeah.
Please.
But also I feel like if you go out, see the thing is, I like even if you sense someone's sexuality, it doesn't matter if you're talking to them or if you're listening to them, etc. Right? I mean, my brain does not go there. If your brain naturally goes to, oh, gay, bi, gay, lesbian, gay, boy, then तुम्हारा भी अंदर कुछ है. You have some closetedness
Yeah,
which you are not doing the coming
mostly
outedness.
mostly people who will acknowledge other people's sexuality are from the community itself, because they want to, because see, even it's like a women's thing. When you have women in public space, you feel more safe. So you want to be like, oh, how many women are there? You will subconsciously look out for more other women
Yeah.
in the space. So even like gay people or queer people will have this kind of what they call the gaydar. They will look at how people are interacting with their surroundings and how they are behaving and what they are wearing, and be like, oh, this person seems like they could be gay, this person seems like they could be whatever, they could be from the community, or they could not be from the community, but they are accepting of those people, so they might feel a little bit safer. That
Makes
is there.
sense.
That is there. But those people who use it as an insult, yes, I also sometimes believe they might be closeted gay people.
Yeah. Yeah. Like I, not just people who, so the people who are really sort of out there and be like, no, I hate gay people. Not that people. They have had some gay feelings and they are like, I need to shut it down. So it's like self-hatred almost. But yeah, what you were saying reminded me of our pottery thing. Like we went to a pottery workshop where I forgot to take her fake pictures and everything.
I forgot about it. Why are you
No. So
bashing yourself?
I was not talking about that part, but
I know.
but when we entered the place, when we started doing everything, etc. It was fun, and then suddenly she tells me that, you know, you're the only guy here. And then I look around.
Apart
and
from the man who was teaching us.
Yeah, apart from the guy who was teaching
the people
us.
who came were all women, like of all age range, and there was a child, a boy
Yeah,
child.
A boy child. But I was the only man there. And I looked around and I was like, oh my god, you're right. The thing is, I had not even noticed it at all unless she mentioned it, right? And that sort of put some perspective to it also, which is that I think women are more on the lookout for, okay, who surrounds me, because surroundings are important, because there can be threat. And I didn't think about it as much. But also, I was also happy about myself. It's like, oh, I didn't notice. Good. I don't see gender. Great.
Yeah, because some men or even some women, okay, it's in a lower like percentage, but they will find it to be not masculine if you do those things. Dude, have you seen who does pottery? It's men. At
Yeah.
least in India,
Because the thing is, it looks dainty. It is
it
not.
is not.
It is the not.
Yeah, and
इधर भी
also
microbes अभी तक अंदर है.
and also we were asked whether we have done pottery before.
Yes.
Both of us.
It was the amaze.
Yeah, we felt
वो
so
पक्का सबको
good.
बोल रहा होगा. वो सबको बोल रहा था क्या? I actually stayed थोड़ा सा to listen to what he was saying to other people, and he didn't.
What? Said what?
So basically he told us that, have you guys
Oh.
done pottery before?
Yeah.
And we were like, no, I've not done it before, doing it for the first time. They're like, oh, if you guys learn it, you can pick it up very soon, because you have the right amount of pressure in your hands for
Yeah.
it.
So the thing is, in the beginning, I made the pot. I did the
Bowl.
pottery thing, bowl, and so he was very encouraging, and he was like, "Oh, you're doing very good. Did you learn it before?" I was like, "No, this is my first class." I'm like, "Oh, okay." Then it was he was telling me when it was his time to like. Whatever, like make the clay less watery. I don't know what is it called. Yeah, just like
What are you talking about? Even I don't know, and I was there.
no, he told you to bring the clay, right?
Huh.
So we were mixing the clay.
Preparing the clay to make the
Yeah.
pot, where
Then
you
he
need
was-
to essentially mash it like a dough
Yeah, to
to
remove
all the knots and any pieces of
extra
stone,
water
etc.
as well.
Yeah.
So he was telling that, oh, you did so well. See, and I was like, yeah, sure. Then, and he was telling me, yeah, maybe it's because your fingers are dainty. That's why you did well. And I was like,
And
show
I was
your
like, I
hands.
have giant
Look at-
fingers.
He has
like
sausage
thick.
fingers. And my fingers are very thin. So, and then he sits and does it. And he also does very well. And then he was like, did you guys learn it before? Tell me the truth. He literally asked us, like, सच्ची बताओ क्या पहले सीखा है? I'm like, नहीं सच्ची पहला class है हमारा.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And then we felt very good.
Yes, very validated.
We felt
And at that point, we were like, capitalism actually, it's very bad. You know what? I think everyone in the world is meant to create physical objects. These digital things don't matter. It's like I was meant to do these things. Then I came back home, next morning laptop okay. Yes, actually, the PPT is due in the evening. Do you need any help with it? We have the client presentation tomorrow. We can't delay it at all. And then I was like, कोई बात नहीं.
Wow, you sounded so gay.
Yeah, I was trying to. What the fuck?
You were bringing out the inner gay/bi persona.
There's only 3 kinds of voices I know how to make.
One is Karan Johar.
Which one is Karan Johar?
The one that you did.
Karan Johar impression.
Yes. You just need those glasses, those thick glasses.
I would wear those thick glasses and do Karan Johar impression and be like, did you guys आप लोग ने पहले, do you guys ever have had sex before?
This is not the Karan Johar. You lost it. There's no more coming
Did you
back.
guys ever have sex before?
Oh my god. That is Ori.
Actually, Agat paid like 1 lakh rupees for a selfie.
Oh my god. Wow.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Cash maybe famous hota hai.
हम लोग हो जाएंगे.
नहीं
Give
होंगे.
us 500 years.
500 years, actually I think double.
1,000
years should be good enough.
Not days, years.
At least 3 followers a year we'll gain, no?
Yeah, and then like somewhere in the future, some civilization will find these.
Yeah,
Videos
this podcast is
somehow.
not going on Spotify. This podcast is going to ISS.
We are
Not ISIS.
waiting.
ISS.
We are
International Space Station.
We are not waiting for overnight success or anything. We
Yes.
want
The only thing we want overnight is Freaky Friday situation.
yes, which we didn't complete.
Yeah, no, the thing is, does the Freaky Friday situation happen like in a chutki, or does it happen in a snap, or does it happen like dheere dheere? Like if we wake up in between the process, will we be hermaphrodites?
Oh my god, maybe.
Yeah. What if it's like dheere dheere, it's transitioning and
But then
all
okay,
that?
see, how does it happen? Because what if it's happening from top to bottom for both of us in the same time? So like top to bottom is changing till here it goes and it stops. We both wake up.
Yeah.
So now
No, if even one person wakes up, it doesn't happen for the other person, na?
okay, so same thing. Somebody
Yeah.
wakes up.
Yeah.
So half body
Yeah.
is something else.
Yes.
Half body is something else.
Yes.
Would you still smash?
Yes. Let's do what has happened. So
Or
basically, your boobies parts have come to me.
Yeah, your chest is mine.
It's just mine. I would smash. That is what's more important.
What if it's like goes down to like it goes from the toe to our body and then our head?
Good one. I would still smash.
I would have to smash you.
Yes.
Would you be okay with it?
Yes.
Like I'm closing my eyes, you can do.
Yes. The only thing is I'll then complain.
But then you also get the tease.
Exactly. Exactly.
What the hell? What are we talking about?
We are talking about the most important things about humanity. Election, Trump's attempted assassination, all of this doesn't matter.
Yes.
What matters is what would happen if we became half versions of ourselves?
What if the version was like this? What if the change happened like
Then we
this?
wouldn't be able to do anything.
Yeah, but then
We would
imagine
just shoot ourselves and die.
we would be like, oh no, yahan tak hua hai.
Like imagine having half a Gucci and balls.
One
One
ball.
ball. Then you're just folding up the ball inside just to store it.
It would happen so weird.
My God. What do we name this episode?
Freaky Friday situation
Yeah.
and pottery.
Yeah, our podcasts always have the weirdest names. It's like last one was Singapore caning punishment and molestation. Or past trauma. And that's what we named. Molestation was the actual term we should have used. But this one is Freaky Friday and pottery.
We talked about other things as well, which I've forgotten.
Yeah.
Already.
Nobita.
Nobita.
Freaky Friday and Nobita, Shizuka and pottery.
We should now get done with it
Yeah.
because we have been
On
talking
that-
so much.
On that note about our genitalia,
Yes, you know too much.
Nobita, Shizuka's genitalia, no,
we
Shizuka's
didn't know.
bathroom.
She's a child. Pedophile.
I'm not, but yeah, Nobita is.
Nobita is also a child.
Still a pedophile, whatever. And pottery. Let's end this episode. Thank you so much for listening. See you on the
Next one, which is episode 8.
which is only 92 away from our 100 goal. See you. Bye.
Bye.